All right, who's next? All right, who's here on the Briam Mejia?
President Toronto. Ashley is also involved.
Is there more than one case?
No, just one.
All right, so is there a prosecutor who's available to take a plea? Rick. All right, court is calling 2025 CR 002415 State versus Briam Mejia. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Roger Pettis for Briam.
And are you Mr. Mejia?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, it appears.
Well, actually, there is just a slight modification in the indictment to change the word to a victim.
What?
I apologize, Ashley.
What do you mean change the word to victim?
I think there was on the last page, there was a document on just a slight modification. It may be best to have Ashley here just to make it proper for the record. You've texted her.
All right, so what I can tell you all is in the indictment, there's not a pseudonym that's listed.
And that's what the changes, but that's what the issue is. Just want to make it proper for the record. That's the only issue.
All right, so for the record, the indictment doesn't have the name of the pseudonym, but the court does have a copy of the pseudonym with the name and the pseudonym attached. So it's the court's understanding that you're proceeding on count 5 only. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You're charged in count 5 according to the plea bargaining. According to what you're charged with, the range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I wasn't supposed to ask that. Here's the thing. If you're not a United States citizen, by entering into a plea in this case, you will be deported. You will not be allowed re-entry into the United States, and you will be denied naturalization. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, did you want to address any immigration issues for the record with regards to your client?
Judge, we have addressed those issues regarding his immigration consequences, and he fully understands the impact of this case on his immigration status.
All right, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 5. Punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine, no applications, Chapter 62 compliance, and you have lifetime registration, and there's to be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
It is, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to count 5 in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. This unsealed evidence, it's Exhibit 1 with all attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal? The waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial? a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. You need to speak up.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Ashley Jones for the record, and yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. And state, have you talked to the complainant?
We have extensive.
And are they in agreement with this?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. After reviewing the exhibits, as the court previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just he understands the impact that he's had on the lives of all his family as well as others, and he just wants to move forward on this.
All right. Court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served, because legally I must give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will not run concurrently. Chapter 62 registration. There's to be no contact with minors, no contact with the complainant, and no re-entry into the United States. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. Because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal, because this is a felony conviction. You're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. We can go off the record.